In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio in Wix. We'll walk through a simple, clear path to get your portfolio up and running fast, using Wix's built-in tools so you don't have to start from a blank page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a strong foundation and customize it into something that reflects your work and personality. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click on Create New Site. This opens the setup flow where Wix asks how you want to begin. You can absolutely start from scratch if you prefer full control, but I recommend choosing a template. Templates give you a polished structure out of the box, pages, layout, and sections designed specifically for showcasing projects, so you can focus on content and style rather than building every element from zero. Next, in the template browser, find and open the Portfolio tab. This filters the library to options tailored for creatives, freelancers, photographers, designers, and more. Take a moment to browse. You'll see various aesthetics, minimal, bold, grid-based, and editorial styles, so you can match the tone of your work. Look for layouts that highlight visuals clearly and make it easy to scan project titles and descriptions. Hover over any template to reveal the View button and open a full preview. This is your chance to explore how the homepage flows, how project pages are laid out, and how the navigation feels. Try imagining your own images and text in place of the placeholders. If the structure fits your needs, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor and begin making it your own. Inside the editor, start replacing content section by section. Swap in your name or brand, update the headline to communicate what you do, and replace placeholder images with high-quality visuals of your work. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your style, keeping contrast and readability in mind. Revise project titles, add short descriptions that explain your role and tools used, and include links where relevant. If your template includes About and Contact sections, personalize your bio and make sure your contact methods are clear and professional. Use the drag and drop tools to rearrange elements and hide sections you don't need, and check the mobile view to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. Small touches like consistent spacing, concise copy, and descriptive alt text for images go a long way. And there you go. Once you've replaced the template content with your own, you've effectively built your Wix portfolio. That's all.